Is it the right time to buy or sell Exxon stock? Welcome back. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Exxon. We've already published an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. But remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 16, 2024, our system has identified Exxon as a sell candidate, with a score of -3.58. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -0.73%. This means that on average, it has been losing -0.36% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, indicating that it may continue to decline. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of -8.98% over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges from -11.53% to -4.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, we can expect a -6.98% change over the next year. The potential return ranges from -11.31% to 12.71%. This suggests a price range of $86.01 to $109.30 after 1 year. Our latest update on Exxon's stock price reveals that it closed at $96.98 on Wednesday, experiencing a decrease of 0.727%. On Wednesday, the stock price of Exxon witnessed a decline of 0.727%, sliding from $97.69 to $96.98. Throughout the day, the stock's value fluctuated by 1.42%, moving between a low of $96.59 and a high of $97.96. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a cumulative decrease of 5.26%. Notably, the decrease in trading volume alongside the stock price is viewed as a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock's trend. On the last day, the trading volume witnessed a decline of 1 million shares, with a total of 16 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.50 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price was $126.54, while the lowest was $96.59. Currently, the stock price is 23.36% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $29.56. It is important to note that the 52-week high of $126.54 is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Morgan Stanley upgraded their rating for ExxonMobil to buy. On Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler gave ExxonMobil an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein upgraded their rating for ExxonMobil to outperform with a hold action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, CFRA upgraded their rating for ExxonMobil to buy. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Bernstein initiated coverage for ExxonMobil with an outperform rating. Analysts have given Exxon stock a general rating of strong buy. This indicates a positive outlook by the experts. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are also rated as strong buy. This further reinforces the positive sentiment towards the stock. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. This suggests a more cautious stance. Today, let's analyze the signals for Exxon stock. Unfortunately, there are currently no positive technical signals for Exxon. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a negative forecast for the stock, giving us a sell signal. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock experiences any corrections upward, it will likely encounter resistance at $98.94 and $100.90. However, if it manages to break above these levels, it may issue buy signals. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -6.05%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there is some relief in the fact that volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is indicating a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots, which gave a sell signal 10 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal just 1 day ago. If we look at the short-term moving average, it also gave a sell signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a sell signal 8 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart and see what it reveals. The short moving average showed a sell signal 8 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 52 days ago. When we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, it also indicates a buy signal 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals and insights. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. However, it's important to note that Exxon generally has controlled movements and good liquidity, which contributes to a lower risk in this stock. Looking at recent data, the stock had a $1.37 difference between its highest and lowest points in the last day, representing a 1.42% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.61%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Exxon, let's first cover some important fundamental data. One of the key metrics to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a relatively low P/E ratio, it may suggest that there is a lower expectation for its future prospects or that the stock is undervalued. This could present a potential buying opportunity. Moving on to other important news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $2.21. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we're going to discuss some potential day trading levels for Exxon. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Exxon is at $98.42. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, it could be a level worth considering for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't strong support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock has the potential to drop sharply under certain conditions. If you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate these situations, proceed with caution and consider placing bets accordingly. The combined average rating for Exxon from multiple analysts is a strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On January 2, 2024, Powell Dina H. conducted an insider buy of 8,000 shares of common stock. On January 1, 2024, Powell Dina H. conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. On January 2, 2024, Ubben Jeffrey W. conducted an insider sell of 2,500 shares of common stock, without par value. On January 2, 2024, Kellner Lawrence W. conducted an insider buy of 2,500 shares of common stock. On January 2, 2024, Carstner Alexander conducted an insider buy of 2,500 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 3.433. Overall, insiders purchased 3,089,210 shares and sold 2,281,382 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is Exxon stock a good buy? Exxon currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a downward trend, indicating that its performance may continue to be weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Our analysis of the volatility and recent movements indicates that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, January 18th, we anticipate Exxon to open with a $0.197 increase and begin trading at $97.18. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts by leaving a comment below. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.